You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Your girl is back, okay? Like I said, y'all, I can't finish this, y'all, because I told my son that I would save him some. But y'all, for some reason, I was inspired by that soda. Why? I don't know. And this is probably like not a good idea, but I want it, okay? I'm gonna try this, y'all. We outside today. We outside. Look at my mom. She like, no. My sister already had it. You already had it, right? And she can't tell me how it was because she won't tell me. But she already had it, y'all. And for some reason, y'all, I want to do it. So I'm going to do it. Why not? Might as well, y'all. I mean, I'm already drinking that blue raspberry. Come, bro. Bro. You want to try this blue raspberry? Huh? Come. You want to try, sis? Sis, do you want to try it or no? Yeah. The airhead? Yeah. Here, bro.
Oh, that's good. That is good.
Here, sis. Pour it inside the cup. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Pour it in the cup.
Come back. Where you going? Come back, bro. Because you got to give your thoughts. Come. Talk to my people. Taste it.
Go ahead. Taste it.
You already tasted it. All right, how you feel about it?
Did you taste it or not?
Y'all, my son is having one of them days, okay? He's having one of them days, okay? So we're going to leave him alone.
Excuse me.
We about to move on to this pickle. Are you trying this pickle with me? You on the phone?
I'm on the phone now. I'll tell him.
Huh?
I'll tell him how to take it.
Okay, so then tell him.
Go ahead.
I just put my phone down.
Okay, put your phone down. Y'all, he said he has to put his phone down. Then he's going to tell y'all how it tastes, okay? Go ahead.
So it tastes like a different kind of drink.
Mm-hmm.
It do taste like blue raspberry. I will give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay. All right, y'all. Sis, go ahead, sis.
It's like the blue Jello.
To me, it don't taste like blue Jello,
No,
y'all.
it
She
tastes
compare
like the
everything to
ice
blue
pop.
Jello.
No,
Yeah, that. But see, she never had one of them before.
She has.
You had one of them real long blue ice pops before?
Remember you bought them?
Ooh. Excuse me,
You
y'all.
bought them somewhere. I forgot where you bought them from.
All right, bro. You got to try this pickle. Don't forget. We in this together.
No, she remember she bought the real big
We're
box.
all in this together. What we know. Huh? I gotta taste this for my peoples.
Why you need to?
Cause I want to taste the juice too. Is that okay? Get you a cup. I'm about to get jumped for the jails. No, you're gonna taste this pack out.
You didn't like
Oh,
that?
good Lord.
This juice. Take the juice now.
Well, you were.
All right, y'all.
Don't knock that down.
I'm scared to touch it. Did you touch yours?
Yeah.
Did it dye your fingers?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Can you make a-
Y'all can't touch it.
Give me that
But
one.
as y'all can see, it is blue. Okay?
I think I got.
It is blue. Y'all, I'ma slice it. I need a fork or something. Cause if I can't touch it, I need a fork.
Where your what
My
went?
glove go.
It's right there. But didn't you use it for your hair?
I don't no thank you.
Oh,
Just give me a fork. Cause I gotta eat with a fork anyways. Out the drawer! Give me a fork!
She just peeping around there. It don't taste like the blue Jello to me.
It does, Mom.
Thank you, sis.
Yes.
24 hours later. I got a fork. Alright, y'all. Come on, son. I don't do the I don't do the little front parts, y'all. Y'all don't be talking about me. Ooh, it's real
It
blue on the
is
inside.
real blue. Oh
Bro,
my
you gonna have to get a
God.
fork. You can't touch it. You want some, sis? Huh? It must be good, y'all, because she wants some. My sister don't eat stuff that's nasty. So if she one of y'all, it's good, because she already had hers. And she had hers, like, what?
About
Months
a month
ago. When I
About
first
2 months.
bought it.
So that's really been marinating.
You eating, Mom?
Mm-mm.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Everybody at the table got to get
I
some.
don't, well, I'm getting up from the table.
No, rock, paper, scissors with me. If you
No.
lose, Then
Okay,
you gotta
one
eat it.
time. One time.
What you mean
I'm
one
not doing
time?
no 3. You ready?
Oh wait, I'm not ready yet.
All right, wait a minute. I gotta get my rocker together.
Get your rocker together. It's crazy.
Yes.
I won.
No.
You did rock and I did paper. What you mean? No.
That's not arthritis.
That's not what paper.
Y'all, my mom like this. That's my arthritis. I didn't pick rock.
Mom,
That's not arthritis.
that's not paper. Like, paper don't look like that. Paper look like
This does look like paper.
paper look like this.
Come bring your hand. Come bring your hand so they can see paper. Y'all, paper. Paper versus paper. Which paper look better? Get your paper out of here. Get your paper out of here. Get your paper out of here.
Get some help.
Already did paper.
Let's do it 2 more times.
No, you said
Yes,
one time.
no, 2
No,
more times,
no,
2 more times.
no.
2 more times.
Y'all heard her say one time.
Yeah, you can't.
Check
more times,
mama.
2
Check
more
mama in the
times.
comments, y'all.
2
Check
more
mama in the
times.
comments. No.
You said one at a time.
Thank you.
I did not say 1 at a time.
You said one time. I'm not doing it 3. Let me rewind it.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
No, rock, paper, scissors to me. If you
No.
lose,
Okay,
you gotta
one
eat it.
time. One time.
what you mean
Not
one
doing
time?
no 3.
What you mean
Not
one
doing
time?
no 3.
What you mean
Not
one
doing
time?
no 3.
Yes, I did that. And you would do it too. Nothing, period. So, yeah.
Y'all heard that, right? Oh,
Give me a
okay.
little piece. Just give me
Oh,
a little
okay.
I can beat you with my fist, Mom.
You got everybody got a fork, right?
piece. No, I don't want no
Then you
fork.
said turn your fingers
Put
blue.
mine on the smooth.
I can beat you. I can beat you with my face.
I should give you a big one for
I don't want no
trying to
big
scam me.
Thank you.
Picture
I
that.
can beat you with my face.
You want a big one, sis?
Yes.
Ooh,
That one right there.
right here.
All right, and we got to put the whole thing in our mouth.
Yes.
Well, I do it.
Wait, sis. Wait.
No, you supposed to wait it.
Take it out, right for everybody.
Spit it out.
All right, son. You want a slither? You want a small piece or you want a big
okay.
piece?
No small piece. A big one.
Okay. Oh, let me see your fork.
Oh. Get it out.
Here you go.
Excuse me.
All right, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna do a small piece. Y'all can judge me if y'all want to. I don't care. All right, y'all. In 3, 2, 1. Mom, you better eat it.
Oh,
It's good.
it's giving me chills before I
Eat
eat
it, Mom. It's bomb. It's actually better than regular pickle.
It's good.
It's a 10 out of 10.
No, it's not bad.
It's like a regular style pickle.
Yes, we need to go back and get some.
It's not bad.
My sister said, yes, we need to go back and get some more. It's really good, y'all.
Not bad.
Want more?
I don't.
Y'all, I only need one more. I'm gonna get, you want some more, son? Okay, come on, you get one more. And then the rest is your aunt's. Did you want another one after that? You do?
Yeah. That's
All right, well then you gotta get a butt. She gotta get a butt.
I'll get the one.
Both of y'all have to get a butt piece, is what I'm telling you.
He said I would get the butt.
Hand me something, bro, so I can put your other one on. Here.
Or Nemo.
You want the butt?
Do you remember that?
You cool with the butt?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here. All right, y'all.
Yeah.
I can only eat this last one, y'all, because I don't like sour pickles. I like dill pickles, and it's giving me like that squeeze your eye reaction. Okay?
What's Warheads, Pickle?
I know it's Warheads, sis. I know. All right, y'all. This time, I'm going to eat it, because I want to do like that guy. No reaction. Okay, y'all? Woo! Watch me do it. Ooh, should I dip it inside the juice?
Yeah.
Should I dip it inside the juice, sis?
I know it's all there, you know.
Oh my gosh, y'all. And then I'm gonna say no reaction. Okay, y'all?
Take them
All
Are you
right.
gonna drink it?
Huh?
You gonna drink it?
Oh, I don't know yet. It depends on if I have reaction or not.
Taking my line.
Okay, y'all.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait a minute, sis.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hold on, son. Okay. Count me down.
3, 2, 1, go.
No, from like 5, maybe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Little slower.
5 to 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
5 to 1, go.
That makes me choke.
All right,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, not that fast.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
Couldn't do it.
You gonna drink it? Yeah, she's on the face. She's on the face. Go ahead.
It's making my eyebrow itch. Oh, help me. Oh, y'all. Jeez, my eyebrow itching. Ah! Woo! Okay. I'm gonna taste the juice, y'all. And then that is it, y'all. Because I'm going crazy today. And I don't even know why. Woo! Alright, y'all. I'm about to try the juice. It is the extra sour blue raspberry. Okay, y'all? I meant to ask y'all, if you ever had a comment down below and let your girl know how it is. Alright, y'all. Woo! Ooh-wee! Alright, y'all. I'm just going to sip it. Because this right here dries out your blood. Why are you laughing? At least, don't it?
That's what people used to tell me.
Back in the day, that's what my mom told me. That it dries out your blood, so I'm only going to take a sip.
It does, but a lot of people say they drink pickle juice every day. But that's not regular pickle juice, though.
No.
That's dyed up pickle juice.
All right, y'all. Cheers. Oh. Oh, my God. Y'all, I can't do it.
You can do it.
Why my sister staring at me? Because she wants the juice so bad, y'all. She loves sour stuff. And she like...
You can do it. Go and do it.
Her and her cancer self, okay?
You can do it. Go ahead, you can do it.
I can't.
Yes, you can. I turn around.
So why don't you drink some too?
And no can do.
Yes, you can.
No can do. Me no like. No can do.
Y'all tell my mom to drink some too.
No.
My eyes is watering. Y'all know I start crying when I don't like stuff.
I never
This is
signed
bad.
up for
My
that.
eyes and stuff start watering.
Never signed up for that.
All right, y'all. In 3, 2, 1. Cheers. This is for my peoples.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Should I pray for it?
You ain't drinking yet.
I'm about to. Okay, sis. I'm gonna do it. Can you want to drink some with me at the same time?
No,
No, why not?
because I'm gonna drink it after you. Go ahead. Just take a little sip.
Just a little
I'm
sip,
trying.
Little
Little
sip.
sip. Not that hard. Just a little sip.
Oh.
Not bad.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Not bad. This is better than a pillow.
Not bad.
Wow, this is why you want it. I get it. It's mine now. No, I'm playing. Here, you can have it.
Dang yeah.
Y'all, I also got the spicy noodles because I'm gonna bring y'all a spicy noodle challenge my way. I got the pink one. Y'all, when I say my way, I mean like I'm probably putting I'm probably putting like a teaspoon amount of that spicy sauce. So it's my way. Cause I'm not dying for nobody. Okay? So with that being said, y'all, until we try it again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's video, y'all. And shout out, y'all, to all my new subscribers. Thank you for vibing with your girl and joining their family. It's a family reunion. Family reunion. I don't know why my mom is singing that little tune in the back. Family reunion. Sis, where was you at? It's a family reunion. We need the whole choir. We got mom on trumpet or saxophone, whatever she was just on. And you just back there on pickle juice. Picture that. Y'all, shout out to all my new subscribers, y'all. Your girl be getting like this stringy cold, y'all, in my eye, y'all. Maybe one day, y'all, I'm going to let y'all get a journey in my eye. And I'm gonna pick out my
Yes.
I'm gonna pick out my code, y'all, because it be so much. And they be so thick. Jeez, I hate it. Alright, y'all. Cause see, I'll be here all day just picking out this code, y'all. Let me get it off of here. But shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all for joining the family. I appreciate y'all joining the family. Make yourself at home, getting them comments, holler at your girl, okay? When I'm mukbanging, y'all come and eat with your girl too. Y'all can sit at the table as well, okay? Shout out to everybody that has been inside them comments.
Just wanna be your girl. And wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I'm your girl, just wanna be your girl.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate y'all, okay? And until the next time, y'all. Bye.